Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. If you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up above 11.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 11.25, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a very impressive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 11.25 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now in my mind. It's all about this resistance trend line right there, which does show that there's some selling pressure that has shown up. Now, I don't mean that in the sense of, so therefore this thing's getting ready to roll back over to $9. I'm just saying that after this initial surge, the price was never able to make any sort of newer highs. And every time it did try to work its way back upwards, it did put in lower highs. So again, does that mean that this is the end of the road? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that very clearly there's some selling pressure. And, that's the great thing about charts and why I love them. They help you to visualize statements. So it's one thing for me to say there's selling pressure, but what does that actually mean? Well, you can visualize it by keeping an eye on that resistance trend line going forward. All in all, though, great movement today. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.